Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in, excuse me, Chief Architect Premier X11. See, I see these walls up here. They're the wrong wall type. And these are, of course, the wrong wall type. The way you would do it in Suite, I want to go to the second floor. We're on the second floor. Okay. I'm going to turn the grid off. I never use the grid. And I'm going to turn off roof planes. Okay, so I'm looking over here. So let's take a look at these walls here. See, this is an interior wall. That's an interior wall. This is an interior wall. We need to take this one and just move it over there. And I'm going to take the wall break tool and break this wall off, and take this wall, and we'll make it, I guess you're using siding 4 or something like that. I'm going to assume so. And same thing on this one. Change the wall type to siding 4. I'll adjust it as I have to if I made some mistakes. I'll go back to the overview. Okay, yeah, I used the blue siding. Okay, now this wall here, let's, oh, I didn't change. I see. I thought I did it, but it didn't do. Interior 4, siding 4. That makes sense to you? Let me go back to the overview. See, that's fixed. I don't see anything wrong, just wrong wall types exposed. Same thing here. It'd be up, yeah, up here. So this, and this. You may not be able to shift select walls in Suite, but I can in Premiere. I'm going to change that group of 3 walls from interior 4 to siding 4. And probably this wall here needs to be, again, segmented. So the interior wall can be interior and the exterior. And we'll get these little pieces that I've created. Oh, that goes all the way in. That's no. Need to break that one off. So we'll get this. Oh, I made a mistake in my selection. Oh, have to break that up again. See, if you don't make the change, then the software kind of reconnects all the walls. Oh, there it is again. Okay. Maybe I ought to just do these a few at a time. Okay, we got them all that time. And we'll go to wall types and change them from interior 4 to siding 4. Then you have to make sure that the siding is facing outward, which it is. I can see the siding there. That should fix it. Well, okay. This wall here needs to be pulled over to the corner like I see here. Like that. And these invisible walls, you probably don't even need those. I'm going to delete them. They serve no purpose. Now, what is that? Oh, that's the door. That door is This door here is going to have to be made shorter. So instead of 80 inches tall, make it 60 inches tall so it doesn't stick to the roof. Yeah, like that. I mean, it's attic access. You can bend over and get the attic access that way. Oh, there's another one. Now you can't do this in Suite, but in Pro and Premiere, you can just click on a wall and open this dialog box. Now this one probably needs to be broken off right about here. Let's go to, see, where's my camera? Yes. Yeah, this is a siding wall. You can see the siding layer. This one is not. All types, siding 4. And we'll take a look. Yeah, okay. I think that cleaned that up. Unless I've missed something, I think that's it. You did everything right except for the wall types that you use to draw in plan view. The part that's going to be to the exterior needs to be an exterior wall type, and the part that's to the interior needs to have an interior layer like drywall on it. Commonly, that's true. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.